Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a 2013 Jeep Cherokee key fob. Pry open the fob with a small flat tool, remove the old CR 2032, insert the new battery with plus side up, and snap the case closed. Test the buttons and reprogram if unresponsive by pressing lock and unlock together near the vehicle. Clean contacts if needed and avoid touching the battery surface. Gather your tools and parts before you start to keep the process smooth and friendly. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid damaging the case. Have a fresh CR 2032 battery ready and hold it by the edges to prevent oil transfer. Work on a soft, clean surface and set a small tray for screws or tiny parts so nothing gets lost during the swap. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting during repairs enjoyable with a glare-free display and long battery life, perfect for the car-conscious reader. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by locating the seam and carefully prying the halves apart with steady pressure. Remove the old battery and note the orientation so you can insert the new CR 2032 the same way, usually with the plus side visible. Press the case closed until it snaps securely, then test lock, unlock, and panic buttons near the car. If a button does not respond, clean contacts and try another fresh battery from a trusted brand.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.